crikey, let's talk crocs. These guys are living dinosaurs. They've been around for millions of years, even longer than us. Crocodiles first appeared over 200 million years ago. That's way back in the time of the dinosaurs. They shared the planet with giants like Tyrannosaurus rex. Can you imagine? Over time, crocodiles haven't changed much. Their design is that good. They found a winning formula and stuck with it. They adapted to survive all sorts of changes on Earth. From ice ages to heat waves, crocs have seen it all. That's why they are at the top of the food chain today. They are true survivors, these fellas. Now let's talk about what makes a croc a croc. These guys are built for hunting. Their powerful jaws can crush bones like they're nothing, and those teeth? Razor sharp and built to grab and hold on tight. A croc's bite is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. You wouldn't want to get on the wrong side of those teeth, that's for sure. They have these amazing eyes too. Crocs can see above and below the water at the same time. Perfect for ambushing prey. And their nostrils are up high on their heads. This lets them breathe while almost completely submerged. Sneaky, eh? Crocodiles are found in tropical areas all over the world. From the swamps of Florida to the rivers of Australia, they rule the waterways. They love warm climates. You'll find them in freshwater rivers, lakes, and even saltwater estuaries. Crocodiles are perfectly adapted to their watery homes. They have webbed feet for swimming. Their powerful tails propel them through the water with amazing speed, and their camouflage helps them blend in, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. They are the ultimate ambush predators. Now, I know some people might be scared of crocodiles, and yet they are powerful predators. But they are also incredibly important to the environment. Crocodiles are top predators. This means they help keep other animal populations in check. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. We need to protect these amazing creatures. Habitat destruction and hunting are threatening crocodile populations around the world. It's our responsibility to make sure these ancient reptiles are around for future generations. We need to respect the croc. They are an important part of our planet.